Hi everybody. This is a quick tutorial on how to use the resources on my website so that you're better able to use technology during the school year. So as you can see, we're here on my home page, and over on the left hand side you have a teacher resources section. So I'm going to take you through the teacher resources and just highlight a few different things, but really it's a place for you to go explore and find any resources that you may find helpful. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here we are on my home page, and as I mentioned a few seconds ago, we can go over here and click on the teacher resources, and hopefully you'll have time to kind of scroll through and see some of the helpful tips on here for using technology here at South Portland High School. But I'm going to draw your attention to just a few in this video. The first one I'm going to draw your attention to is this help desk or help ticket area. So if you're having any issues, it could be that your projector bulb needs replacing, or maybe an app is not working as it should on your MacBook Air or your iPad. This is the place you're going to go to kind of report that issue. And what you'll do is you'll create a help ticket, and it'll ask for a little bit of information to tell us what's happening. I do work with several other technology people in the district, and we all do different things, and filling out a help ticket is really the best way to get information to the right person in a quick way. Okay, the next thing I'm going to draw your attention to is printing. This is where you'll go to install printers. When you receive a laptop, when you first start working here, you will have one that's kind of a blank slate, so you're not going to have PaperCut already installed on your laptop, so this is where you go to install PaperCut. And PaperCut is, we print to a PaperCut server, and then you go to different copiers in the building, and then you just release your PaperCut jobs from there. So by clicking on this link and looking at these different tutorials, you get a little bit more information about that. But really I just wanted to draw your attention to the fact that when you get your technology, it's not going to have printers already installed, so you're going to want to go to this PaperCut section and install your printers right away. The third thing I want to show you is just some FAQ info section. So there's some Google Classroom tips here that are worth checking out. Even if you're not new to Google Classroom, there's a couple of good tips and tricks here for just some common issues. It's Google down. If you find that there's an app that's not working very well that's in the Google Suite, you can check to see what's going on with it here. So this is just some FAQs. These are questions that tend to come in pretty consistently, and I usually just drop the questions and answers in this section. So when you get a minute, you can go ahead and read through some of that. And then lastly, I want to just show you this toolbox page over here, and this is the place you're going to go for working with tools in the classroom. So there's all kinds of pages here from Google Sites, using Edpuzzle, how to package your assignments together digitally, Google Keep, Google Slides, if you want to work with images for a project. So there's all kinds of things here to explore. Digital notebooks, I'll use this as an example. Why use them? Think about design when you're making them, using Google Slides. And then there's also some examples of some digital notebooks down here that teachers in our school are using. And then, of course, here's some free templates and some suggestions to building your own. So digital notebooks is just one of the things you can find on the toolbox. So your toolbox is kind of your go-to place if you want to find help with different apps or tools that teachers in this building are already using. So I hope you find this little tutorial helpful. I know it's a little bit long, but I just wanted to take a minute and run you through some of the important pieces of your resources page, because it's for teachers. And if you have any questions, you can email me at any time. It's right here on the main page, or at davyzr@spsdme.org.